Welcome back to the Big Sweep, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kelly, and today we're going to follow a deep cleaning checklist, a step-by-step guide to a spotless home. But before we jump into the step-by-step guide, let's talk about why deep cleaning is so important and the benefits it brings. Deep cleaning goes beyond just surface-level tidying. It involves thorough cleaning of every nook and cranny in your home, from top to bottom. Not only does deep cleaning help maintain a tidy and organized living space, but it also contributes to a healthier environment for you, your family, and your guests. Regular deep cleaning removes allergens, dust mites, and other pollutants that can accumulate in your home over time. This is especially important for individuals with allergies or respiratory conditions, as clean air quality can significantly improve overall health and well-being. Deep cleaning also helps extend the life of your furniture, appliances, and flooring by removing built-up dirt and grime that can cause wear and tear over time. Plus, a clean and organized home can reduce stress and improve productivity, making it easier to focus on the things that matter most. And it teaches your children the importance of cleanliness and organization in the home. Now that we understand the importance of deep cleaning, let's get into our room-by-room checklist to ensure every corner of your home receives the attention it deserves. You can tackle your deep clean in any order that works for you. Important: always read labels on any commercial cleaning products and follow directions on the label. Follow any manufacturer's instructions on any labels on furniture or textiles. Always do a spot test on an inconspicuous area before using a product on the complete item. The living room. Step 1. Declutter. Begin by removing any unnecessary items cluttering the space. Sort through books, magazines, toys, and other belongings, and either donate, recycle, or discard as needed. Use boxes for the items to be donated, trash bags for the items to dispose of, and a laundry basket for items that belong in other rooms. Deal with the laundry basket when you are finished deep cleaning the living room so you don't get distracted. Clearing out clutter not only makes cleaning easier, but also creates a more spacious and inviting environment. Step 2. Clean from top to bottom. Clean any ceiling fans or overhead light fixtures, and use an extendable duster to get the spider webs out of the high corners. Remove any pictures from the walls and pull the furniture out. Next, dust the walls using a dry microfiber mop. Go from top to bottom. When you're finished dusting the walls, dust the baseboards either with the mop or your duster. Then dust off the pictures and replace them. Vacuum the floor behind the furniture, then replace it. Step 3. Dust all surfaces. Using a microfiber cloth or duster, thoroughly dust all surfaces in the living room, including shelves, coffee tables, picture frames, and electronics. Make sure you move any decor items and dust underneath, as well as dusting the ornament itself. Pay special attention to areas prone to accumulating dust, such as ceiling fans and lampshades. Quick tip: use a sticky lint roller to dust your fabric lampshades. Step 4. Vacuum upholstery. Vacuum upholstered furniture, including sofas, chairs, and cushions, using an upholstery attachment. Be sure to remove and vacuum underneath cushions and in between crevices where crumbs and debris may accumulate. You may even find some buried treasure in your sofa or chairs. Number 5. Clean carpets and rugs. Vacuum carpets and rugs thoroughly to remove dirt, dust, and pet hair. For deeper cleaning, consider renting a carpet cleaner or hiring a professional carpet cleaning service. Spot treat any stains using a natural carpet cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water. Refer to the video linked in the comments for more ways to treat carpet stains with natural cleaners. Step 6. Wipe down all surfaces. Using a gentle all-purpose cleaner or a homemade solution of equal parts water and vinegar, wipe down surfaces such as side tables and TV stands. For wooden furniture, use a specialized wood cleaner to maintain the finish and remove any smudges or fingerprints. Number 7. Organize and rearrange. Take the opportunity to reorganize furniture and decorative items to create a more functional and visually appealing layout. Consider investing in storage solutions such as baskets or bins to keep clutter at bay and maintain a tidy living space. The family room. Step 1. Declutter. Begin by decluttering surfaces such as coffee tables, end tables, and entertainment centers. Remove any items that do not belong or are no longer used, and find a designated home for them or discard them as necessary. Number 2. Clean from top to bottom. Clean any ceiling fans or overhead light fixtures and use an extendable duster to get the spider webs out of the high corners. Remove any pictures from the walls and pull the furniture out. Next, dust the walls using a microfiber mop. Go from top to bottom. When you're finished the walls, dust the baseboards either with the mop or your duster. Then dust off the pictures and replace them. Vacuum the floor behind the furniture, then replace it. Step 3. Dust and clean electronics. Dust and clean all electronic devices, including televisions, gaming consoles, and stereo systems. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe away dust and fingerprints, and use a small brush or compressed air to remove dust from vents and crevices. Number 4. Vacuum upholstered furniture. Vacuum furniture, such as sofas, love seats, and armchairs, using a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment. Pay special attention to cushions, seams, and crevices where dust and debris may accumulate. Again, be on the hunt for that buried treasure. Step 5. Spot clean carpets and rugs. Spot clean any stains or spills on carpets and rugs using a natural carpet cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water. Blot the stain with a clean white cloth or sponge until it lifts, and then allow the area to air dry completely. Step 6. Organize entertainment media. Take the time to organize entertainment media, such as DVDs, video games, and CDs. Sort items into categories and find a designated storage solution, such as shelves, bins, or baskets, to keep them neat and organized. Number 7. Refresh upholstery and pillows. If applicable, remove cushion covers, pillowcases, and throws and launder them according to care instructions. Consider adding a few drops of essential oil to the wash cycle for a fresh scent, and fluff pillows and cushions before returning them to their rightful place. Kitchen. Step 1. Declutter. Declutter the countertops and cabinets. Let go of any appliances or utensils that you no longer use and say so long to anything that is broken. Wipe everything off before replacing it. Number 2. Clean from top to bottom. Clean any ceiling fans or overhead light fixtures and use an extendable duster to get the spider webs out of the high corners. Remove any items from the walls. Next, dust the walls using a microfiber mop. Go from top to bottom. When you're finished the walls, remember to dust the baseboards either with the mop or your duster. Then dust off any items from the walls and replace them. Vacuum and mop the floor so you don't redistribute the dust from the walls. Number 3. Clear countertops. Start by removing everything from countertops, including small appliances, utensil holders, and decorative items. Wipe down countertops with a natural all-purpose cleaner or a mixture of warm water and mild dish soap to remove crumbs, spills, and grease. Remember not to use an acidic cleaner on natural stone or composite countertops and sinks, as it may damage the surface. Step 4. Clean appliances. Thoroughly clean and sanitize kitchen appliances, including the stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. Use a non-toxic cleaner or a solution of baking soda and water to remove built-up grease and food residue. Consider investing in storage containers or shelf organizers to maximize space and maintain order. Step 5. Scrub sink and faucet. Clean and disinfect the sink and faucet using a mixture of vinegar and water or a natural disinfectant spray. For stone or composite sinks, use a mild solution of dish soap and water. Use a scrub brush or sponge to remove any soap scum, stains, or mineral deposits. Rinse thoroughly with water. Step 6. Sweep and mop floors. Sweep or vacuum the kitchen floor to remove loose debris and dirt. Mop the floor using a natural floor cleaner or a solution of warm water and vinegar for a sparkling finish. Number 7. Clean trash bins. Don't forget to clean and deodorize trash bins and recycling bins using a mixture of water and baking soda or a natural disinfectant spray. Allow bins to air dry before replacing liners and returning them to their designated spot. Bathroom. Step 1. Remove clutter. Start by clearing out any clutter from countertops, shelves, and drawers. Dispose of empty bottles, expired products, and unused items, and organize remaining toiletries and supplies. Number 2. Clean from top to bottom. Clean any ceiling fans or overhead light fixtures and exhaust fans. Remove any items from the walls. Next, dust the walls using a microfiber mop. Go from top to bottom. When you're finished the walls, dust the baseboards either with the mop or your duster. Then dust off any items from the walls and replace them. Vacuum and mop the floor so you don't redistribute the dust from the walls. Step 3. Clean the shower and tub. Scrub the shower and bathtub using a non-toxic bathroom cleaner or a mixture of baking soda and water. Pay special attention to areas prone to soap scum, mold, and mildew, such as grout lines and tile seams. If you have a shower curtain, remove it and run it through the washer with a couple of old towels. Use the gentle cycle with warm water and your regular laundry detergent. When it's finished, just hang it back up in the shower and spread it out to dry. Number 4. Disinfect the toilet. Clean and disinfect the toilet bowl, seat, lid, and exterior using a natural disinfectant cleaner. Use a toilet brush for the inside of the bowl and a microfiber cloth for the rest. Don't forget to wipe down the flush handle and toilet paper holder, as well as any other frequently touched surfaces. Just a quick tip: wipe the exterior of the toilet with a clean, dry microfiber cloth before cleaning with disinfectant. This will pick up any dust or hair and avoid making a yucky mess. Throw the dry cloth in a bucket to go to the laundry. Step 5. Wipe down surfaces. Using a natural all-purpose cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water, wipe down bathroom surfaces such as sinks and vanities. Avoid using acidic cleaners on any stone or composite surfaces. Clean mirrors and windows using a glass cleaner or a solution of equal parts water and vinegar for a streak-free shine. Number 6. Scrub floors. Sweep or vacuum the bathroom floor to remove loose dirt and hair. Mop the floor using a natural floor cleaner or a mixture of warm water and vinegar, paying special attention to corners and baseboards. Step 7. Freshen up towels and linens. Launder bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths in hot water to remove bacteria and odors. Hang fresh towels. Organize essentials in cabinets or on shelves for easy access. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other deep cleaning tips or natural cleaning solutions that you swear by. You know, we love to hear from you. Click here for more tips on keeping a clean and tidy home. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next episode.